Activating your SumUp card is a straightforward process that allows you to start using it for transactions. Here's how to do it. Receive your card. After applying for a SumUp card, it will be mailed to the address you provided during the application. Ensure you receive it before proceeding. Download the SumUp app. If you haven't already, download the SumUp app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for managing your card and transactions. Log into your account. Open the app and log in using your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Go to the card section. In the app, navigate to the card section. This area is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Activate your card. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your card. You may need to enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV code found on the back of your card. Set up a PIN. After entering the required information, set up a PIN for your card. This PIN will be used for transactions and cash withdrawals.